So a rock hit my windshield, and this is the chip and the crack that came from it.
It's a crack. Okay. So both cracks right here too.
Well, the crack will go down.
Okay.
It's not gonna go.
Okay. So feel this. Okay. But this can it spread on this direction?
Yes.
Yeah. If you
Yep.
don't feel it.
Yep. You see, it's line here,
Okay.
line here. So if you don't fix anything around here,
Okay.
it will spread.
Spread. Oh.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. I'll do that. Yeah.
It just stop the crack. The reason why is because the crack is not straight. The crack is,
Right.
see?
Right. A small hole here. Oh, you have the professional tool.
Oh yeah. Yeah, yep. Wanna do it? Okay.
I want to learn how to do it.
Yeah.
That's the next- Right. A suction cup. Yeah.
Sometimes you can fix the whole, but to cover the whole crack, sometimes it's impossible. But
So is the crack gonna disappear after that, or you can still see?
no, you can still see it because it's glass,
Okay.
and the crack is never disappear.
Okay.
Yeah. Bueno. No, que levantado hoy de las 9 de la mañana, mano. Y ya cabe 2. No, pues me dormí temprano cuando me marcaste, man.
It's already filled. It's already filled here. You can see. Dremel and then I couldn't find this. That's why. That
Oh, you have to buy that one only at the hourglass shop, warehouse.
well, oh,
No, you cannot buy in
in here.
no.
Oh. The auto glass. My other auto glass shop. Cool, let it try.
Hmm. Yeah, you cannot buy that anywhere.
leave it here for a while. Yeah. Yeah, my aunt came to do it with you too.
The what?
My aunt, she has a crack and she came to you.
Oh yeah.
That's why she told me.
To bring it here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I fixed it for her and she was happy and yeah.
This is the first time it happened.
To you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In over like many years, over 10 years.
Every time it's 1 year, one time, right?
Yeah.
You have the key.
Oh yeah.
I just need to connect it.
Turn it on.
I need to turn it on or not?
Do you
Or it
need?
works.
Don't need to. Yeah.
Need or not? Oh no, I don't need it.
You don't need. Oh,
No, it's on.
it works.
Yeah.
Oh okay. Yes,
Sometimes some cars you need to open the ignition.
Just connect it to the car. Put the UV light on. Put UV light on so it dries the first hole that you made. Just wait. It doesn't scratch the. Okay.
No. No, because you're not doing like this. You're doing like this.
Oh, like this.
Yep. Right. Okay. Okay. I send you a picture so that way you can look for the sign. Alright? Alright. Alright, see you then. Bye bye.
You have to do from the top. Or you can do like this too. Faster. Nice, that's good.
Be careful.